yesterday.
In 1955, I was in third year high school sa Colegio de Santa Isabel. Everyone looks forward to the backsmith.
A backsmith is an exposure in training the entire personality of the students.
Ini cultural sa athletic competition among Catholic schools na nagkakaigwa ng opportunity ang mga estudyante na maipahilingan sa indang abilidad.
Focusing on the academic excellence, athletic prowess.
The best period talagang labanan, folk dance, vocal solo, boys and girls. At that time kasi, many schools only had boys. And some schools only had girls.
Some of the boys were dressed up as girls. And do you know who was among those who was dressed as a girl? Ang naging partner ko kanto, and who would ever think, because at that time, he was very small, Raul Rocco. Tulong mga schools for girls, Colegio de Santa Isabel, Santa Clara, and St. Agnes, garo nagkukurumpitensyahan, tanghaling ba ko si atensyon kan si mga atenista.
Kung minsan, may iriwal-iwal, no? Abong magpadaog, gusto pirming yon champion.
I was as small then as I am now. He bullied me. Itinulog ako. May ako naginimo. Nagsibog na lang ako. Napahibi ako. Sabi ko yan, dahil ko malingawan yan. Ito man mga player ko sa softball, para riyo na kami naghihiribi.
Sa backsmith, what I learned was discipline.
And we were, of course, taught to lose. Parang, okay, sometimes we lose, sometimes we win.
How to be able to relate with different people. No?
Communicating with people.
Nadidevelop ang real being mo as a person.
No matter how different your education is, I think there's something common in us, and that is that Catholic education is a gift. It is where we nourish our faith. It is where our hearts are shaped so that we become good citizens, not only of this world, but those who will lead a life of inspiration, especially to the poor.
I hope that your learnings, the teams, the individuals, will learn camaraderie also.
Have a nice learning experience.